Hello everyone, am I audible to you? Just let me know if I'm audible. How is your weekend? How are things going? All fine? Okay. So thanks everyone for participating in the live. So I have done a bit of analysis. Right now, if you see on a 5 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame, I marked the zone, right? So this zone you can see, this I consider this as selling pressure zone. Maybe market can go up, from there it can correct, like that it can do, right? Directly if it moves towards the upside. Rest what I have observed is market is trading in a channel pattern, I can say, right? Slowly it is moving towards the upside, forming higher lows, higher highs. Now market has come out of this channel. Now I am expecting if this correction is happening, it might not be that big. It can come up to this zone, later move towards the upside. So here I'm not planning for any big trade on the bearish side. I'm thinking of a small trade itself because I'm not that confident about this breakdown, right? Continuously what is happening in the market right now is it is forming higher lows, higher highs and moving towards the upside. Now only first time it has come near 236 level. This can act as support or maximum up to this zone, and from here it can move. It can remove all the weak players before it continues the upside move. That possibility is there. So current zone little challenging to look for a bullish trade, but if it comes towards the downside here, if it is forming any, let's say, breakout setup, I'm thinking of considering that. If I take any bearish trade right now, I cannot plan bigger targets. That is my understanding, because I don't expect very big fall. Market can fall approximately, let's say, from this zone 500 points. 500 points is kind of decent, but still not that confident, because it is holding on, moving towards the upside. This breakdown, will it fail or not? I have to wait and watch. I'll give the market some time, then I will decide. Okay. So what is your view about the market? Where do you think market can move next? Sunil Yadav sir, I'm good sir. How are you? Vijay Anand sir, Mani sir, Leo Paul. Today analysis video. No traders today, too much occupied from morning. For many private Telegram group members, access has to be provided. Team is working on that. Some issues are there related to that. Trying to sort that out. So today completely occupied, but maybe from Monday analysis I will share. Sometimes it is demotivating also for me to do analysis, because anyways morning we share pre market report, right? So in the free Telegram channel, and as soon as the market opens in the private Telegram group, every day I'm sharing the update. So some people, they come, they just watch the videos and go. And the amount of support, there are many genuine followers that I know, but some people, uh, they are not giving that support, right? So I'm just thinking, is it valuable for me to continue to do daily analysis, or rather let me just decide to do uh, you know uh, education videos, one video which can have more lifespan. It all depends on how people support the channel. Good evening sir. No momentum. Yeah, it is weekend, right? No momentum. Yesterday when I came live also, first trade was profitable for us. Second trade, okay, little judgmental I was. That stop loss hit. And third trade, this crypto trade what I took, where I set the first target, second target, 1 lakh 200. I think market went up to 1 lakh 400 also. Uh, where was it? Yesterday, this one. I think somewhere it went up to 1 lakh 400, but 1 lakh 200 at placed my trigger stop loss around 1 o'clock or something. The market hit my target zone. I think I decided to exit. Not sure how many of you participated in that trade. You have algo for BTC? No, I don't use algo. I'm not that tech savvy, and I like the enjoyment of me looking at the market, deciding the market setup based on price action, stop loss hunting at that point of time. I It is kind of a mind game, right? I like doing that. If I just do algo, it is more like, system will take care of the rest and all those things. That means my participation is less. Those big, you think the algo which I create, will it be competitive with the big players? Definitely not. Their algos are more powerful, more supreme. Their systems are completely different from what we use. So keeping all those in mind, rather than that, I would just try to keep observing the market based on price action, stop loss hunting. If any one or two setups which I have based on indicator, when those opportunity I get, I will try to capture. I'm not i'm not thinking that I'm a person who can develop an algo which will beat big players mindset. Definitely not. If I think like that, I feel I'm just fooling myself. Rather, to a certain extent, price action, stop loss hunting, since regularly I'm looking at the market, we can understand sentiment better. If I do algo, I don't think so. Yes, we need your video. Okay. So I know there are certain people who are interested in daily market analysis video, because completely occupied in that time when we, make the analysis video, spend that time to make that content. The effort, what I'm not expecting big things, at least like, comment, those only those things keeps us motivated. So when the amount of those things only reduces, people just watch and go, then not that excited to make analysis video. Anyways, everything I'm sharing with people right on during the live market. From the time market opens, every day I'm sharing my setups with the private Telegram group members. Yeah, I said I will host this one, right? A Zoom meeting. Later, I thought, okay, I'm anyways coming to this live, right? I'm trying to answer most of the questions what people have. So, in that case, will the Zoom be helpful? Will there be any new questions what people will ask? But definitely, our strategy, what is there related to that, I'm planning for a Zoom meeting where little tweaks here or there I have to make. So those changes to increase the accuracy. Already it is a nice strategy, but of course we have to keep fine tuning. We cannot make it 100% success strategy, but 50% of the time it is giving very good results for us. That is what we want. But mostly we will try another 60%, 70%. And for beginners, how to avoid trap while trading in this strategy, all those things I will try to explain in that Zoom meeting. Okay. So so Dheeraj sir, that is the plan. You tell me, what do you think about the plan which I'm saying right now? Today, long yesterday with you, took long yesterday with you live, and trade was profitable. Nice sir, nice. Hopefully you made use of the logic what I shared. So in that case, maybe in the future you can make use of it. You see here, market is slowly moving towards the upside, right? My expectation is maybe it can correct up to this level or this level, remove all the weak players. From here it can bounce. So I'm just thinking, okay, at this zone, should I wait at the zone, or should I, with small stop loss towards the upside, shall I plan for a small trade? Small trade required or not, I'm just thinking about. Some people expect the you know the things to be running. These areas is what I'm expecting, reversal zone. If from this area only, if market reverse, then it has more potential to go above the selling pressure zone, But if it corrects here, it can go to the selling pressure zone and then correct. So with that approach, I'm looking at the market right now. We will see. Any interesting setup I get, I will try to identify that. Since expectation is market will correct and move, should I be looking for bearish setup as of now? Around maybe chance of making around capturing 240 points, 270 to 500. This is the possibility. So I'll see what I can do. What do you think, traders? Do you think market will move towards the upside, downside? How is it? Of course, I know weekend market is a bit slow and things like that. What I will can think about doing is not expecting bigger correction, but small momentum. If I can try to capture, it can be okay. The moment can be at least from the time I enter, I'm saying around 200 points, and I have to trail my stop loss. That is something which I have to take into consideration. Hi Chintamani. Hello. I'm just feeling like waiting for some time. I'll just wait. In 1 hour time frame, trend line has broken and think this fall is the retest. I'll go to 1 hour time frame. I'll refresh this page. So this fall you're talking about, right? So 1 hour time frame. Yeah, that is there. This breakdown can be around this zone reversal or this zone reversal. Not, and this can be the buying pressure zone. So that possibility is there, but just thinking, okay, not that excited about bearish trade as of now. We'll see. See, again it is holding back, but it will correct is what I feel, but not too much. Let's wait for setup. Okay, Sam sir. How is your trading going in crypto? Those of you who's watching the live stream, if you're making use of the content, then you can share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It motivates us to make regular videos like this. And also, if you open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link, it's there in the description box below. You can check it out. After you open account, complete the first trade, reach out to our team to this number. They will give you access to crypto community group where you will get regular setups like this, and also you will get access to our strategy. So this even a beginner can use without help from anyone, because everything is explained in the strategy already, right? So with the help of that you can join. Sir, can I trade with mobile? Usually I prefer to watch things on a bigger screen. So once my setup is formed, stop loss is set, at least stop loss. Target, if I don't set, okay, I can exit from the system, no problem. But at least stop loss is set. Entry I'm taking based on the analysis what I do on the system. Then I'm kind of okay. This is what, around 200 points. Not that. So okay, if I take the risk of this, it's kind of fine. I'll see. Okay, I'll just take one sell position. I'm not sure how well this downside movement can happen, because I wanted to look for more upside momentum. But anyways, now that I'm in the market, simply I will think about entering one trade. This is just a random stop loss I have kept. It is not even 1:1. In case the setup gives me this return, it's a good one, good trade. Or else it's a difficult one, 50% chance, okay? Hopefully. Sir, opened account from your link and all done around 10 trades, informed your team via WhatsApp but not added to your group. See this number what you're seeing on the screen, did you message them? For so many people, even today, for so many people we have given access. I'm not sure, there is no, something from our end that we should not give access. We have this group to give access to people only, to share all our views. We want to build a crypto community. More people are there in this group, it is good for us only, because the community will become bigger. I'm not sure if you are saying our team is not giving you access, then I should think about it, but I will take your word for it. So you just reach out to me, you send a WhatsApp message to this number, okay? So this number you send, okay? You send a WhatsApp message to this number. I will investigate on this and I'll let you know. Okay? Definitely within by tomorrow evening you will get the access. Okay? Now traders, this is a simple trade which I have taken. The setup possibilities are first up to this level, which is 1:1 risk reward, and this can be, if I'm lucky, market can go up to this level. Okay, as of now, not that confident with this bearish trade. Only at least this moment, if it is possible, then I will trail my stop loss, try to hold this trade. If it reverses hit my stop loss, I will exit, or if it continues to move towards the downside, I will try to capture movement up to this area. From here I will be looking for reversal setup. It is just holding on to this range, no big momentum, no point in giving bigger stop loss also for this trade. So less than 200 points is the risk which I have taken. We will see. My KYC is still in review from past 5 days. What to do, sir? No, usually KYC takes within the same day only it happens, right? Not sure why you're having that issue. Okay, you message me, okay? You give me your ID. I will reach out to them and I will ask them what is the reason for uh, you not, why is your KYC pending, okay? I also received 1,250 cash, Delta cash on my first deposit in my Delta account. Okay. So this trade is kind of 50% chance. Before the up move, market can correct a bit. That move I'm trying to capture. I don't know if it will correct up to this zone or this zone. Once it reaches this zone, if it hits my stop loss, fine. This trade is done. But when it corrects towards the downside, then I'll trail my stop loss. And from here, if the trend continues, I'll try to hold on to the trade. Or else, no point in holding this. Okay. So this is about the setup right now. Is the setup clear? Today I joined private Telegram group but forgot to mention coupon code. No problem. Sir, it is not a big issue, sir. I know you have sent a WhatsApp message and all. Team was very busy with giving the access. That assistance we will provide you. Okay. Now just wanted to let you know, I know around 49 people are there. Our new private, we are changing our private Telegram group from this, because the automation process is not happening properly. We are shifting everyone to the new group, right? This is the group we are adding. So maybe we will be active in this from tomorrow. Okay, those who want to join the private telegram group, you can see there is a flat 500 rupees off. You can use this coupon code, and the link is there how to join everything below this video. This is the new update video which I shared with the group. You guys can go and have a look. Whoever wishes to join, make use of this offer. I've just left this offer as it is because I know many people will prefer during Monday or Tuesday to get the access. So that's okay. I'll keep it active today and tomorrow. That's what team has suggested. After that, this offer will close. So whoever wants to join the private telegram group, you can click on this video, read everything, and then you can join the group. Okay, that's up to you. It's your wish. How I anticipate the reversal area is here. You can see I'm just thinking right now. My view can be wrong, but you see, I'll switch to a different time frame. Let's say 15 minutes. Okay, on a 15 minutes time frame. Why is this like this? On a 15 minutes time frame, if you see in the past, I don't know why it's happening like this. Not sure traders regularly. That's why I prefer to use mobile data only. Anyways, so you see market from this upper zone, it fell nicely, right? It fell nicely, moved towards the upside. Again, it is correcting. I personally feel today is weekend, right? This zone and all market cannot target. So bigger move I'm not expecting right now. So, and one more selling pressure zone from the upside. After this movement towards the downside, the correction was nice correction happened here. Here all the weak players, they would have been removed, right? All the weak players who entered at this zone, so they would have been removed from the market. Still big sellers are sitting in the market here at this zone and this zone. So I'm not expecting market to break this upper level. Rather it can move towards the upside from this zone. 60 50 60% correction from here, this market can correct. So I decided this as a upper zone from where I can expect reversal. Since I don't expect market to break this zone also very much, since market is sideways, holiday time, weekend time. So I'm just looking at correction and then a reversal in the market. So with that logic, a small simple trade what I've taken right now is okay, with the hope that market can come here, give the first target, and then it can come here, give the second target. This is the maximum. Again here buyers can start after removing all the weak players here. Buyers can again push the market towards the upside. It is going to be sideways is my expectation, but before it becomes sideways, any nice momentum I thought of capturing. Once market came, broke this trend line, I was not that confident to enter PE, bearish trade. And then once it goes below 236 level, okay, we will just try to capture small momentum. With that logic, I planned this trade. It's already coming here. From here also it can reverse, or from this zone also it can reverse. For some people, maybe the way how I speak, it might be very difficult for you to relate if you're watching my content for the first time. But over a period of time, if you're regularly following, you will understand, because I'm not just saying this. Usually many people, okay, this is the support, this support broke, that is why I'm entering. No, that is not how I see the market. I see where SL hunting can happen, based on where next price action movement can happen. Based on that only I take the trade. So based on that, sometimes you can expect some kind of it might be difficult for you guys to relate. So from the time I have entered, this has given a moment of close to 180 points. Sorry, this was the first target. There is a gap that needs to fill. We will say I'm not going to make any changes for this trade as of now. If it reverses also, no problem. This gap I'll go and see. See, if you look on your mobile, there is no gap. Are you speaking about this gap, sir? I don't see in my phone when I say I don't see this gap. I'm just thinking market might try to form our setup, what I've thought in the course. So for that it can correct a bit after a small, see this gap. Now it is not reflecting. So hopefully it can reach up to this zone, possibly. Then we will see. Mhm. Sir, Solana. Ethereum also is next coming to this channel. It has given a breakdown. So it is kind of showing some nice movement, but expectation is it might correct a bit. Then if it moves towards the downside, only then I'll be interested in bearish, because there is a chance this can be a false breakdown before the reversal. So not interested in any bearish trade in Ethereum here. And Solana also the situation is same. Breakdown, I'm not that focused on this breakdown right now. Market has to come to this zone, correct, then trend continuation is possible, or else from here only it can reverse. So all the index, based on what I'm seeing right now, it has a probability of reversal. I know my setup, it was moving to our target zone. As of now we are at around 200 points captured already. So in this market, trying to capture another 200 points is a difficult thing only, since I'm not too much worried because stop loss is here, and this zone, if it breaks, then it can come here. That time maybe I will trail my stop loss, try to close the trade in this zone, and then maybe look for next opportunity. Okay, that's the whole idea. So since it is showing some bearishness, good. All this bearishness is to remove weak players at this zone. So at here, at some point of time it can reverse. So by then, if we are planning for any if we are already entered, some of you would have entered along with me, uh, even if I said 50% chance. So if you are happy with the profit what you have made already at this zone, this should be the first target zone which is achieved 1:1. This has to be the final target zone. Okay, if you're happy with the first target, think about exiting, because very high chance traders, from here it will reverse, or from this zone it will reverse. That is my understanding based on price action. We will see. Now Delta Exchange has given a offer within 15 minutes close of position, no brokerage for closing. This offer is temporary or permanent. As of now, when I discussed with them, it is for the month of December. Anyone who wants, you can go here, you can join here, and you can avail that offer. Okay, successfully enrolled. Uh, so you can try that if you want. I'm a private Telegram group member. I haven't received new private Telegram group. We are sending to private message as much as possible to all the private Telegram group members within today itself. Okay. By chance you have not got the access, you reach out to my team. Okay. Uh, you reach out to this number. Maybe for some people. Okay. This number you reach out to via WhatsApp. Not now. Wait until tomorrow morning. before the market opens. Wait until then. After that, if you have not got the link or anything like that, if you are eligible for private Telegram group membership, definitely reach out. We will ensure same day your issue is solved. Now, those of you who want to join our crypto community group, where we share setups regularly uh, in BTC, Ethereum, and also where we have shared our crypto strategy. If you want access for that, you can open an account with Delta Exchange using our referral link. Okay, our referral link, I will share it with you right now in the pinned comment. Those who want, you can open. So we expect our only people who are interested in crypto trading to join the group, because if you're not that interested with the strategies, nothing can be done, right? So to make the best use of the setup strategies, and I will prefer to have people who are only interested in crypto trading to join the community. I've shared the link right now. So if you are interested, you can join. So this trade, it is showing continuation. Okay, good. This one is not able to break. But if you have already made profit, you think about exiting, or at least try to get your stop loss to cost, so that this is a risk free trade for you. Okay. If you do that, it is a better thing. Little here I will get my stop loss. Okay. But the problem, I have one right now. Okay, I will tell you later. Small correction I will do to the stop loss, because it can correct up to this move and then correct. That possibility is there. So I want my stop loss to be little higher. But when it comes, if it comes off, if it comes off to this zone, I'll think about exiting. Whoever wants to exit, you can exit. From the time we entered around 270, 280 points in the sideways market, that's a decent amount itself. Good call. See, I'm saying there's a possibility of market correcting up to this zone and then moving towards the downside. If you want to ensure uh, whatever profit you have made, you're okay with that, exit. Okay. Don't compare my sector, my way of looking at the market. I mean, the way how I take stop loss and target. Don't rely on that. Many times I've shared this with you, because for me, whatever stop loss target, stop loss, if it hits also, nothing matters. But the main idea is for you guys to, for me to show how price action and stop loss hunting works. So the highest concern is, I'm not sure with what quantity you are trading. Some people randomly, you would have taken different kind of quantity more than your risk, right? So those kind of people only I keep informing like this. If you are taken as per your capacity, you can hold on, no problem. But if you already know you're not taking the trade based on your capacity, just you're treating whatever the live update, whatever I've given as calls, and you think, okay, quickly I'll make off, I'll take 10 times than my capacity, let me try to book off the profit. Those kind of people mindset, some people will be here, one or two. For you guys, I'm saying, moment is there. If you have taken more quantity than your risk capacity, then this is the time for you to book your profit and exit, or trail your stop loss. Do something like that, because how much ever I say, how much ever quantity you want, that is what you will take. Individually, if I'm speaking to someone, I can say, okay, this is what you can do. Exited the trade, Dheeraj sir. Okay, good. We will see, traders. This is the ultimate zone. I'm thinking any point of time market can reverse. I'm okay with that. So if it, okay, cool. Moment is happening. So now in this case, I got off my stop loss here. Nothing to worry. I'll end up in profit only in this trade. Okay. Any plan for offline class? Offline class for what, sir? Crypto, you are asking? Okay. Now from the time we have entered, this setup has given a movement of close to 400, 430 points. Okay. Now my job is to trail. This candle is not closed yet. Anyways, I can trail. So I feel from this zone market can reverse. So no need to take too much this one. Now those of you who followed me took the trade, you see I have exited. So after this you are holding the trade with a big expectation market can move up to this level, then you have to do it as per your risk capacity and not random trades, right? So my job here is done. So this was a nice moment. Whoever captured, good. Whoever exited in between, also good. As long as you have understood that, okay, my way of thinking, why I planned here, it could have reversed from here only. But here was additional move. I said I will trail the stop loss if the movement continues. We trailed, then market within one candle. This is bonus. You cannot expect the same kind of movement all the time. Okay. So market has given the bonus, take the bonus and exit. Sometimes what is happening, I'm just holding on and people whomever I said they're making profit, market is hitting my trailing stop loss. That is okay, doesn't matter. But all the kind of situation I want to explain to you guys, right? So all this what is happening in the market right now is stop loss hunting. Let's say in case market has come to this zone, okay? Now this zone, if the market breaks, people will be interested in bearish trade, but I don't think a bigger momentum towards the downside is possible. The buyers who entered here after this correction, maybe they can again re-enter. But since continuation on the bearish side is happening, the next trading setup we will look at. Okay, we will wait for the next trading setup. What was the capital for this trade? To trade with you guys, just 5,000, 10,000. That's all I'm taking. If you see, for 50 units, by taking 50 leverage is not required, around $100. Okay, $100 is what, 85 rupees, you convert 8,500, so around 10,000. So first trade done. I will take 2 minutes break to think what to do next, and then if I'm interested I will take the next trade. Okay, first setup is done. Now I feel these zones can be the demand zone from where market can reverse. This was a okay nice movement, but from these zones I expect market to reverse. So in case on the call side, if I get any bullish trade, I will look into it. So slowly, if it is attracting people, any breakout, something like that, I will try. Okay, that is going to be my next trade based on the mindset which I have right now. Good fall. Yeah, sir, good fall. It's given more than the risk reward, right? 600 points. No problem. As long as we are there in the trade, right? I'm there in the trade. When I was in the trade, I can see the profit. That profit is not mine. Only if I book, the profit is mine. After the movement is over, okay, I should have held on to the trade. All those things only people who do profit calculation. Okay, should I, if I had entered here, uh, if I had entered here, I would have captured this entire move. Those kind of people mindset, if we have in trading, we will not. As long as we book it, it's not our profit. We booked it. Nice 1:2 risk reward. It is done. Now peacefully next opportunity we will see. So as per my understanding, market can move sideways or it can reverse from here. That is why I'm not taking any bearish trade. That is the main reason I also decided to book my profit. Okay, who and all took the trade? Those of you who's watching the live stream, if you made use of the live stream, all the content which I shared, then share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It motivates me to make regular videos for you guys like this. I hope every day when I'm coming live in crypto, you guys are making use of it, hopefully. So here I'm just going to place a buy order. Okay, I bought. I'm not going to place a bigger uh, stop loss for this trade. I'm just, for the sake of putting, I'll put it right now, and then I'm going to change it. Okay, so stop loss is not, need not be this big, just waiting for this candle to close and see what kind of continuation it is doing. This is my second trading setup. Liked, booked, observing. Okay, now my understanding right now about this correction is, market would have broken this level, this zone. Many people would have been interested in bearish trade. If they have entered, if the buyers who are here, if they are strong, they might try to push the market towards the upside. In case my stop loss hits or market break comes to this zone, then market is coming to target the buyers who are here. So I need not give a bigger stop loss for this trade. Just my one candle's closing or something like that I'm waiting for. From here only, if the buyers start putting pressure, we can expect momentum towards the upside. Okay, this is my entry, this is my stop loss. The stop loss I'm going to change. Okay, and for this, around up to this zone, I'm thinking later I will keep reducing my stop loss. Okay, so hopefully you have understood the logic for the second trade. And now I'm just thinking, we entered at the right time, we tried to capture the moment, understanding price action, stop loss hunting. Now greedy people would have entered at this breakdown, right? Once greedy people enter to hunt their stop loss, if market moves towards the upside, my this second trade target will be achieved. Hopefully we will see traders. As of now it is going quickly. I entered, right? Because day in day out I keep looking at Nifty, Bank Nifty setups and all those things. So for me, based on the probability, I will go. So for me, the risk also is what? Nothing. Someone offline for intraday. You are asking offline class for intraday. That is what I'm asking, sir. Is it for crypto trading, or you are asking Nifty and Bank Nifty? I also entered at the zone 99,440. This zone. This is a nice entry only for us. Okay. I don't think we should be in a bigger trouble as long as there is a continuation in the market from this zone. If it comes down, it's my stop loss, nothing can be done. But I have entered at this bottom only. So stop loss, I can place a small stop loss only. Anyways, I'm going to change this stop loss, just waiting for the continuation. Nifty, Bank Nifty, offline class is not required is what I feel, because you can enroll to our complete price action course and stop loss hunting course. There everything I have explained. After you join that, you will be added to our crypto community group. Okay, sorry, private telegram group. In this, every day based on price action, stop loss hunting only, I keep sharing updates, right, during the live market. With all that, you can use it for education purpose. So every day when I keep sharing the setup, after you learn the strategies, then every day if I'm speaking about it, I'm showing, okay, our opportunity is here based on price action, opportunity is here based on stop loss hunting. So you can relate to it over a period of 30 days. When you're in the group, anyways, you're getting free private telegram group access for 30 days when you enroll to the course, right? So when you enroll to that, you get 30 days access. During that time, you can check all the historical updates what I've shared, as well as next 30 days you will have access. In that also you can train your eyes, right? Yeah, anyone who purchase our intraday bundle course, uh, stop loss hunting course, for all of them 1 month free access to private telegram group. Okay. Trailed SL2 cost to cost, so I don't mind if it touches. Yeah, that's a good decision. We are thinking this is the entry point. So from here, if the bullishness continues, then we can try to capture the moment. In case if it hits a stop loss also, anyways cost to cost, no problem. But in this case, I'm just holding on to this zone because market can, exactly at this level I cannot place stop loss, right? At least maybe 100 points I'll think about placing stop loss little below, just as a buffer, so that if it forms double bottom, hit my stop loss and then move, I'll be disappointed, right? So little buffer is always there. Maybe if you want, you can consider that. Now those of you who want to learn crypto trading and you want to get access to our crypto strategies, then you can open account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the description box below. You get access to this course. Many setups related to this course we share in this group, and also based on price action stop loss hunting. Yesterday after coming live, I think I shared this, but I think I shared in the free telegram channel also, because I wanted people who's not part of crypto community, by chance you followed the live stream, that you need to know about that update, right? So that is why. Got your point. Okay, sir. Hopefully, sir, next time you mention your name, it will be easy for me to call out your name. Around 50 people are watching the live stream. Only how much? 35 likes. Come on, traders. If you're making use of the content, that too during the weekend, we are doing all this. So share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It motivates us to make regular videos like this, and I think it will help the YouTube algorithm also. Mahesh, nice name, sir. Please upload regular. What regular you're speaking about? See, anyways, as of now, we have only Nifty expiry, right? Weekly expiry. So I'm thinking of developing a strategy. I'm already working on it. Nifty weekly expiry strategy for option sellers. I'm not sure how many people will be interested because majority are option buyers. But for option sellers, that I know regularly they give me a call. They ask me about, is there any setups related for option selling? So I'm going to develop a course for option selling as well for Nifty weekly expiry. Once the once I'm very confident with the setup, I make all the changes, then I think beginning of January I'll plan that this one course. Okay. So how to be market maker rather than market taker? If you want to be market maker, you have to go here. You can place a limit order. You can choose your quantity, and you can choose the price. Let's say you go here. This is the price you want to enter. For example, copy this price. You paste it here. So you are buying at the zone, right? This is this price you are buying. So when you place the order, your order will get triggered. I mean, your order will get placed when market comes to this zone. What will happen? Your order will get triggered. Since you placed based on this price entry, that means you became market maker. I in this case I was market taker, because whatever price market was trading at, I wanted to enter here, because for usually when I want to do scalping, I don't fix a price. If that price, whatever market is trading at, if it is the fair value, I will just place the direct order. May I appreciate your plan to develop a strategy for Nifty option selling? Sure, sir. Sure. It's on the work. Thank you. I think you are interested in that. All right. As of now, how much capital is required to trade our options? Now, as of now, there's no big change. Now, instead of you just take it this way, if you want to just trade in Nifty, let's say previously lot size was what, 25, now it's become 75. So minimum you have to trade with 3 lots. Previously, if you were able to place an order for around, let's say, 5,000 rupees, now if you want to place an order for at the money strike price, then you should have at least 15 to 18,000 rupees. This setup is not showing too much continuation, traders. Not sure if it is previously, I don't know, this pen is not working. Previously, I can see market formed a double top here. Okay, people would have thought about entering bearish trade. To earn their stop loss, market move towards the upside. Now here, if it forms double bottom, something like that, then liquidity on the both the side will be created. That time the probability of market moving towards the upside can reduce to 50%. But in case if it is showing some bearishness quickly from this zone or something like that, if it is starting to reverse, I will get my target. It's too much holding it should not do. Once this level is broken, it should act as support. This zone people would have entered, but this zone again, if some buyers would have entered, bottom also stop loss is available, and for sellers who entered at this breakdown, their stop loss also is available. So market is deciding whose stop loss to hunt, upside or downside. So for me, that confusion is not there. For me, I want to look for upside move as of now. So I've not changed my stop loss zone as of now. I just kept it like this. If the continuation happens, I will plan. Some time back, someone said cost to cost I have placed. I said wait for at least double bottom, something like that. Try to give at least 100 to 120 points risk, so that in case market gives this breakdown failure from here, if it reverses, you will not be disappointed. Something like that I had discussed. We will see what will happen. How to join private crypto trading? Yesterday I joined private Telegram channel. See, to join crypto community group, all you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link. At the bottom of the screen, you can see, right? Join crypto community for free by opening account with Delta Exchange. Link is there in the description box below. Please open the link there. Complete your first trade. Then send WhatsApp message to this number. Whatever you're seeing on the screen, my team will have a look if you have opened the account using a referral link or not. If yes, then they will give you access. This one trade and all we are just saying so that it is a point of validation. Trading in Indian markets is safe for option buyers for this time. What is your opinion? It depends on how your mindset is right now. If your mindset is okay, I'm just new to the market. Let's say you have 1 lakh rupees with you. Okay. So one out of this 1 lakh, you might have other personal commitments. This is just a common person's example I'm taking and giving you. The numbers might vary. So the entire money that you have, let's say, is 1 lakh. You have other commitments for many people. Let's say it is school fees, or some people hospital expenses, some people house EMI. Lot of different commitments will be there. So after filling all those commitments, from this 1 lakh, what is your balance? It can be 10,000, it can be 20,000. So this money, instead of spending on your luxury, like let's say you want to go to a hotel, eat for 5,000 rupees, okay, or you're going for a movie, I saw Pushpa movie tickets is around 2000, 2500. You don't want to do that. Rather, that 2000 rupees you're considering as your risk for the trade. For your learning purpose, you want to spend. Then you're, as per your mindset, you're good to trade. If your mindset is okay, this entire 1 lakh rupees I have, I will bring it to the market. So I'm going to make it 2 lakh rupees without any learning. Okay. So 100% return. In this, I'm going to take care of all my expense. With that mindset, if you are coming, then it's not right. It's not at all right. So it is depends on how each person is greedy. What they with what expectation you are coming to the market. Are you planning to generate let's say 5 to 6% return per month? It is a good month, you can make even 10%. That possibility is there. I'm saying per month, right? So for option sellers, we had good opportunity to make more money on a monthly basis. But now, because of the capital requirement increment, because of that, for people, what would happen is the amount of money which they would require to enter 3 4 lots and make the return, now they have to use that money only for one lot. So in those kind of situation, what to be done? Difficult, right? So okay, some people might get confused. Our first trade is already done. I'll push it this side. Okay, this trade is done. This is my second trade. So this is the stop loss, this is the target. So now I think it is more clear for you guys. Can you make a video on option selling in crypto market, as most of the time during weekends will be sideways? My personal suggestion will be, don't go for option selling in crypto right now. In futures market, the leverage what you're getting is very good. Don't go to option selling there. Don't get confused about which strike price to choose, where to enter, and time decay, and thinking more about expiries. Every day there is going to be expiry. All those things please avoid. Trade in the futures market. If you are interested, take a trade, finish your trade for the day, right? Yesterday we took a trade live. We placed our stop loss, we placed our target. In between the night also, if I go and see, okay, target achieved, done, exiting, that's it. Okay, Dheeraj sir, I think you are in profit right now. You entered along with me, right? So if your stop loss is here, 300 350 points is a good move for you actually. Who else took the second trade? I'm not sure. Who wants to exit? Maybe you can think about exiting. It's up to your view, your mindset. Vargish Joshua sir, okay, good. Now you see, you would have seen around 300 350 points move. You want to capture, please capture, or at least bring off your stop loss to a little below this low, so that loss is very less for your trade. This can be the next area. Okay, previously this area was acting as resistance. Once this level is broken, it should act as support. It was acting as support only for some time, so maybe again this area can act as resistance. So little careful you have to be here. Even though if it is not giving you 1:2 risk reward at this zone, if the market comes, think about you want to exit, you exit, and try to take maximum profit by trailing your stop loss, right? If you are holding on to the trade, this target achieving success is maybe 50-50%. I need to keep telling all these things for you because I want you to know what is the risk involved. So this zone achieving, we have good 75 to 80% chance, and this target to achieve, we just have 50% chance. So where you want to take chances is up to you. Already if you have made the 350 points movement captured, happy, exit. I am trailing. Okay. Made 12K from 3 trades. Thank you, sir. Okay, nice. Are you part of our crypto community group, Prithvik? I entered both the trades, sir. Booked the short. Now trailing with my long with cost to cost. Okay, cool. Good. Weekend also, instead of, we did not have anything much to do. Right. Anyways, I didn't do the analysis. I was a bit occupied with giving access to private Telegram group members. So I just wanted a break from that, right? So I thought, okay, why not come live? Good. See, who wants to trail, please trail, okay? I entered both the trade. Okay, cool. So by following this live stream, I hope it is useful for you guys so that you are able to relate how I think, right? In Nifty, Bank Nifty, I cannot come live. I cannot take live trades because I'm not SEBI registered. If I become SEBI registered, I cannot take trades. You know that, right? So if that is the case, for me, more important is my trading. Later only, this coming live on YouTube, staying for 3-4 hours, that doesn't work. So basically, I'm not a YouTuber, okay? Some kind of pressure you're seeing here, right? Some kind of pressure both the side. Selling pressure is, buying pressure is here, selling pressure is here. From here only, if the market corrects, some of you might be disappointed. You want to exit, you exit, okay? This is the last time I'm saying. Already 1 hour live stream done. What I will do is at least speak about this. Hopefully, at least market hits the first target. So this is my expectation, traders. From here only market corrects means nothing can be done, right? Rest of the things is left to the market. If it wants to form a bearish setup like this, all those things, it's up to it. Maybe it has created a pole. Now it might create a flag. Post 1 o'clock, 1:30, it can move towards the downside. That possibility is there. As long as I am live for another 10-15 minutes, we will see if the moment the market will be able to capture or not. If not, I will exit. Okay. No need to give so much stop loss. I will reduce it a bit. Yeah, that setup also, bullish EMA setup also is formed. Little how much we need to rely on that on this expiry I'm thinking about. So basically, below this it should not go. If it goes, then it is a pressure only. That is why whoever wants to trail to cost or little lower than this. So if you want to book, you book your trade. Is it a cup and handle pattern? You mean to say this one? This is acting as a cup and this is acting as a handle. Like that also you can say, or you can maybe, not sure. This can be the left shoulder, this can be the head, and this one is forming a right shoulder. That possibility is there. See, before I take the trade, I have to think about what I have to do. Which side probability is more? Based on that, should I take a trade, right? So based on the trade which I took, for me probability towards the upside is high, so I took the trade here. And our setup also was giving entry. With setup, this setup, what I've taught in the course, EMA based strategy, it is market is reversing from the magnet zone, so here also momentum is possible. Taking all of this confirmation only, I have taken the trade. Now if there is cup and handle, I can't go and exit and take a bearish trade, right? That's not how trade works. Stop loss is decided, I'll give the stop loss and I will exit, or I will wait for my target. So eventually over the period of time, for many people it might be overwhelming whatever I say, but if you are in the market for quite some time, definitely even you will come to that mindset where stop loss is decided. That's it, nothing else to be done. Every 2 minutes, 3 minutes, I can't keep changing my mindset. With that view, you will start looking at things. Smart money concept, stop loss hunting, all those things are somewhat same only, no sir. Okay, sir. Thanks you for the clarification. See, whatever I say, when sir said cup and handle pattern, it is forming. I said yes. There is a possibility. This can be a cup. This can be a handle. Or I said this is going. This can be a bearish flag pattern. Later, it can give momentum, and maybe left shoulder head, and market can is trying to form a right shoulder. All these situations we are having discussions here. While I explain, I'm going to sit for my target. I'm not going to this one uh, exit the trade because of looking at all this. I'm saying this only because at the initial stage I had similar mindset. Okay, when it comes to trading, but now mindset is different. I've learned over the period of the 7-8 years to be very cool. So when I say something like this, like, I'm not going to trail my stop loss, I'm not going to book my profit, it doesn't mean I'm trying to be rude here. Not at all, not even 1%. I'm just trying to say, in the past, what and all I did, it was not working for me. Now, if I take stop loss also, happily I will take. There is no trade which I have taken in the last 1 year, 2 years, where I have not been happy when market hits my stop loss. More than that, actually, from 2019-20 time itself, I've never taken a stop loss and I've been disappointed, because it's always been as per my capacity. Of course, you can see sometimes, after all, even we are humans, will feel bit disappointed, like mm, where is this trade, this setup I had discussed, I believe, not this one, day before yesterday, after hitting my stop loss market mode, right? Where is it? So this was the setup I was thinking about. Sometimes I might be a bit angry that I took the trade a bit early, but market had given a very good trading setup here, right? What kind of movement the market did? It created a fresh uh, momentum up to the resistance zone also. So those times, since we are this one humans, we kind of feel a bit disappointed. Oh, why did I enter a bit early? But the after that, I will realize that I'm sticking to my stop loss, right? That is the most important thing. I'll do that. Target and all, market will decide what it wants to do. Okay, Manju sir, hopefully you have understood in what context I am trying to communicate to you, right? Market near the first target almost. Whatever you said about trade setup is true. Whenever I feel don't give SL, it comes there, hits and goes all the targets. Mm, okay. Yeah, it is just that over a period of time you will get to know, you'll get a hang of it, sir. How much ever strategies, how much ever updates, whatever it is, I share, eventually your trade setup is yours, right? Now at this point of time, what you decide is yours. You want to decide to exit? Good. You want to trail your stop loss? Good. You want to wait for the profit? Good. Every decision is left to you. I'm just here to say my perspective. Maybe whatever 1 or 2 points, whatever I say, maybe in the future it can be useful for you. Only in those terms I say. Because I personally, I have 4 or 5 friends, okay, who is regularly trading, especially in the crypto market. But those friends, during my initial time, I did not have those kind of friends. Only I was sitting alone. I used to talk to myself. Things used to happen like that. I know that is frustrating. In this, at least we can communicate. Maybe I can share something. Maybe you will share something. Maybe you will ask some doubt. Maybe if I know, I will tell. So it's trying to become a community, right? It's enjoying. I'm enjoying actually. Now, those of you who's making use of the content, please share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. As of now, constant battle between the buyers is happening, buyers and sellers. If you think you want to exit, the moment is not less, right? From the time we entered around 380 points, you want to exit, you exit. If you want to hold, these areas should be your target zone. You want to trail your stop loss, please do it at least up to this zone. Or if you want to cover your brokerage, get your stop loss up to this zone also. The more stop loss you trail, the more risky your trade becomes, and you will get disappointed if market reverses. But at some point of time, the most sensible thing will be to trail, right? When it goes to the first target, for example, I can't keep my stop loss here. Doesn't make sense. I have to get it top. So like that. The thing is, market is not so greedy like earlier. It's so much manipulative where the market setup doesn't work with good logic sometimes. So I feel uh, to get confused. Okay. So it is just that you are waiting for one small change to your setup, right? So initially price action was working great for me. Over a period of time, price action success rate kept on reducing. So when success rate of price action reduces, what I have to do, I have to combine something or I have to fine tune it. That is why I got in stop loss hunting. So when I came into stop loss hunting, I'm going back to the same success rate. So like that, it can be anything. It can be an indicator, or it can be any kind of levels, or any kind of like that. One small change you do for your setup, and over a period of time it will increase your accuracy. How can you save the chart in Delta Exchange? I don't think they've given that options. In TradingView you can save the chart, but in Delta, whatever you have placed earlier, that only will be there. So today I leave this as it is and I close. When I look into it later, it will be as it is. See, market is trying to correct a bit. If you're happy with the profit, think about exiting. Like I said, there's a probability of, market forming a bearish pattern like this. Later it can correct. It's all up to your mindset. I'm thinking at least this level market can reach. After that, if it reaches this level, that is an added bonus. By then I would have trailed my stop loss. Okay, this is my logic. Your logic might be different. You decide what you want to do next. I exited near target 1. Vargish Joshua. So 2 targets done already. 2 trades you booked profit, I believe. What do you mean by screenshot, sir? I'm not understanding. Manikandan Ravinder, thank you, sir. If you're watching the live stream, please support the channel by liking the video, subscribing, And also, if you want to join a crypto community group, you want to learn our strategy. Now this entry what I've taken also is based on our EMA strategy. Those who are our community members, they will know I've combined both stop loss hunting concept, trade psychology. Along with that, I've used the strategy. Hopefully it gives me a nice moment. The beauty about this strategy is even if the success rate is 50%, uh, it is close to, let's say, majority of the time the success sometimes will be 1 is to 5, 1 is to 6 also. Many times we are able to capture 1000, 2000, 2500 points with the strategy. So regularly related to the strategy, we keep sharing setups, and also based on price action in this community group, we are always active, right? So if you want to join the community group, in the pinned comment there is a link to open account with Delta Exchange. You open the account and then complete your first trade, then send WhatsApp message to this number. My team will give you access to the community group. So everything that you do to join this community group is absolutely free of cost, right? So it's up to you. I couldn't participate in the first trade. I took some time to understand the logic behind that. Okay, no problem. See, forcefully, if you are not jumping into the trade, you are waiting to understand the logic. These are the kind of people, right? These are the kind of people, definitely over a period of time can make a huge difference in their trading style. Nothing wrong in taking trade whenever I take also, if you want to gain that experience and things like that. But as long as you're trading as per your capacity, I'm happy with it. Randomly, you're taking more trades. Uh, Without the managing your risk means it is difficult. You have seen, right? Every trade which I take, I decide the stop loss. So you have to decide if the stop loss is as per your capacity, please take it. Now this trade is just going on. What I will do now, if it turns to sideways, then it is a kind of disappointing situation. Anyways, close to 1 hour 17 minutes live stream done. So even I'm thinking of exiting. I don't want to look at the market anymore because it is just holding right what to do. That is the problem. Or else what I can do maximum, I can place my target and exit. This is my target. No problem. $9 risk, $26 profit. Like I said, more the time market spends. Uh, this one I have high hopes that it can achieve maybe 70-75%. This one only 50%, but this is forming some kind of red candle, right? We need to just see. The thing is, I told you earlier, this is the stop loss what I've decided. This was the stop loss, but once it goes out of the zone, I'll trail off my stop loss. I told you, right? It's not giving me that opportunity to trail. What to do? Is OctaFX safe or not? My friend suggested me to open account. I have not traded with that platform, so I cannot comment on that. Only Delta Exchange is what I'm trading in. Okay. Sorry for that. That to my friends, even they trade in the crypto market. So since they were satisfied, they told me it is working great for them. I did not try any other brokers. I'm using Delta Exchange only as of now. Almost near target one. Almost. So I will consider target one is kind of achieved here. Sorry, at least at this zone. Whoever wants to exit, please exit. For me, once this one is reached, I'm going to trail my SL. This is the first thing. 1:2 risk reward, sorry, 1:2 risk reward, I have already said. I placed my target near 1:2 risk reward. Now I'm going to push it a little further. Can I do it? If the moment happens, it can happen well, traders. That is why. Okay. So whoever is taking the trade, I've just extended my target. I've reduced my stop loss. So this is what I'm thinking about right now. Target 1 achieved. Whoever wants exit, exit. So here achieving this second target, there is 50% chance. Achieving this upper target, maybe around 25% chance. It all depends. This first target I said market high probability to achieve, that is done. This one is what I'm looking at, 50%. If it corrects from here, it will be turn into a boring trade, right? Again, it can go sideways. All the possibilities is there. Now in the comment section, let me know whoever took the trade, did you plan your exit? If target 1 is done, if you want to exit, you can exit. Yes, exited, thank you. Okay, nice. Now from here you can see I've trailed my stop loss, right? I've got it. My entry was here. My entry was here. Where is it? My entry was here. This moment was nice. Target 1 probability was high. That is achieved. I said once that level is achieved, I will trail my stop loss to this zone. So I have done that. But one point is still this candle is not yet broken. It is given the first target, but it is not holding that upper level. So before only I have trailed my stop loss. So by chance if it corrects, my stop loss will be hit. Anyways, we'll see. As long as it is moving, no problem. Govindraj sir, okay, good that you have exited. No problem, no problem. Now I feel after second target only I should have kept, because from here another candle. We'll see, no problem. Now I'll get off my stop loss here. So this is complete risk-free trade. Okay, complete risk-free trade. Almost. It is near 1 lakh, right? So that pressure is there in the market. So whoever is there right now, it's okay if second target doesn't meet. If you are happy, what time I said the update? 600 points move already, traders. So, not 600, sorry for that. I think 500, 550 points. It's a nice moment. If you're happy, think about exiting. Even I am feeling like, okay, I don't want to hold the trade for too long. Rohit Reddy. Okay, sir. Good, you have exited. Anyways, for me now, this has become a risk-free trade. So I think by looking at all this, at least you can relate how we need to trail our stop loss, how we can, at what point of time we have to trail our stop loss, when we should not trail, with what calculation we should plan our stop loss. Hopefully some at least small ideas you are getting you from the trades which I'm taking. Hopefully maybe in Indian market also you can use it. No big difference. Now as per the strategy what I've thought, in this crypto community group, right, same kind of setup we have got here, right? That time from the lower level itself we had got the setup. It is EME based strategy, so whenever it gives the results, it gives very good results, right? So those who want to get free access to that, you can open account with Delta Exchange. It's absolutely free of cost. Once you open the account, please reach out to this number. If your account is opened with Delta Exchange with our referral link, only then you get access to the content. Okay. So sir, I started crypto trading after your referral. I learned a lot within this 1 month. Thank you, sir. Compared to Indian market, here price action works better. See, traders, almost market is near this target zone. If it doesn't hit stop loss, okay. Stop loss is what we decide and everything. So it is almost very close to this target zone. If you're not I'm sure many people will be disappointed if market reverses from here. So please think about exiting, because from here market can correct. Okay, the chance is there. Market nice momentum, correct. From here it can correct, that possibility is there. So if you are very new to crypto market, you have got very less capital, whatever profit you have made today, make use of it, so that the next trade or the trade after that, that money will support you. Okay, sir, is it creating channel pattern? Channel pattern already market had created, it has broken that. Now I don't expect it to go up to this zone or something like that. If it goes, good only, but I don't want to hold on to the market for longer duration. Near target 2 or near this resistance level, when market moves, I'm thinking of exiting. But since our live is going for more than 1.5 hours, close to 1.5 hours, at this point of time also I'm thinking, okay, why not close the trade, because there is a chance this can correct. I learned a lot from you as a trader. You're welcome, Rohit Reddy sir. You're welcome. Now, those of you making use of the content, share our channel name and things like that to your friends as well, right? Even if they have similar interest, who's interested to learn price action, stop loss hunting, maybe in some way it can be useful for them. Now, those of you who's watching the live stream, you have not liked the video. Almost we are near the target. If you want, you book the target and share your, hit one like button so that it motivates me also. If you want to open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link, you can do that. Link is there in the description box below. You will get access to our crypto community group, right? And the strategies. Everything is absolutely free of cost. Okay. See here again, traders, you see this red candle and again continuation candle. So if you want to book, please book. If you are happy with the profit, nice 500 points move is done already. Sampath Kumar sir, thank you so much for your analysis. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome. Glad to know our content is useful for you. Rohit Reddy, sir, thanks to you as well. Hopefully, our weekend ended positive, right? Market is just playing games here, traders. See, I don't want to hold on to this trade for longer duration, more than 1.5 hour. I'm live, so I'm thinking of exiting from this trade. Okay, it is done. Now here again, so much I have to wait, or next target I have to wait. If it was lesser than 1 hour live stream, I would have held on to the trade, but it's okay. Nice moment only we have captured from. We have identified the bottom, we have identified the top. Setup was good, right? Anyways, hopefully more than 1 hour 30 minutes live stream done. Thank you everyone for participating. Now one thing which I don't do all I have not done it, right? I will not regret thinking that I should have waited up to this zone or I should have waited up to this zone. That mindset is not there. Whatever money after I exit the trade which has come, that amount is mine, right? So that is all I will focus on. Whatever money is going out, that is all I will focus on. What money should go, how much market is giving is not up to me, but stop loss is something which I can decide for each and every trade. That is what I will follow, right? So hopefully you guys made use of the content. Hamza, Tanim, thank you so much for the feedback. Glad everyone made use of the live stream. It was a good one. Two trades, one this one and another this one. I will consider this also as a successful trade itself. Why not, right? Because I'm closing it happily. After this, it can go here. Again, it can correct later. It can move up. I don't want to be in that. I'm not in that zone right now because I have some pending work related to private telegram group also. Okay, before I close the live stream, whoever wants to open account delta with exchange, open account with delta.exchange, link is there in the description box below. You can do that to get access to my crypto course and this private group, right? Specially designed for crypto. Only for crypto we share all the updates here. So that is one thing. After opening an account, complete your first trade, reach out to my team to this number. My team will be there to help you out. So that's about it. Thank you everyone for participating. If you're not like the live stream, please do that before I close this. Sir, last doubt, can we consider it as a trendline breakout? Which trendline breakout? You mean to say this one? You mean this trendline breakout? Let me know quickly, sir, before I close the live stream. By the time you answer, target 2 also achieved. Anyways, I'm done. If you are asking me about this trendline breakout, I am not that confident. Again, market can go sideways because if you are already entering the trade now, right? Let's say you are entering the trade now at this price. So for this price that you enter, at least here you have to give your stop loss. Target maybe, let's say you decide 1:2. This should be a target. So this risk of close to 120, 150 points, is it worth it for you? If it is under your control, then go ahead, you can try this. Or else I would personally suggest to wait until this zone. The sellers who are here, they are strong. They have pushed the market nicely towards the downside here. I don't know why this is going like this. They push the market nicely towards the downside. We got a pullback. Again, any random people market would have removed from here. Again, it can turn to sideways, right? That possibility is there. But as per our strategy, we should have entered the trade somewhere at this zone. So based on the strategy, around 600 points is a decent amount. Okay. Thank you everyone for participating. Sir, I hope I have clarified the doubt that you had. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. Good night, traders. Good trade. God bless you.